Hello people, yeah, I'm back again already. I just wanted to do another quick thing here to partially show you guys how I battle the pollen. Oh boy, I tell you what. Pollen, this time of year it drives us all crazy, doesn't it? Not only does it get all over everything. Hey Richard! It makes us all feel bad, gets all up in our heads, talking about the pollen. Richard, talking about the pollen. I was going to show everybody one of my steps to combating it, which speeds the process up a little bit and makes it a little bit easier. You can see I've got my air compressor on, and there's the hose there. There's a little gadget that I got. It's relatively cheap. It's called a vortex. See, inside the end it's got that little thing that goes back and forth, and it makes the air come out in a circle, and it kind of beats against whatever you're blowing against with the air compressor. It helps blast stuff away. It's got all kinds of uses, but fighting pollen is one of those, Richard. And I need a better compressor than what I have. I have a small, I don't know, couple horsepower, 5-7 gallon compressor, and this thing uses a lot of air, and it runs that compressor of mine down very quickly. So somewhere in the future I'll be getting me a larger one. Ooh, who's that? Corey Russell Clark. Hey, how you doing? So anyway, I was just going to show you on this motorcycle here, which has been sitting in the garage. But of course now I've got the door open. You can see already, you know. Good gracious. Mr. Mike, how do I pronounce that? Bugenhagen. Hey, Miss Lisa. How you doing, sweetie? I was going to show you one of my first steps when I'm fighting this pollen on a daily basis. And it's a daily battle. This time of year it is. And one of the steps, and y'all may recall who've been keeping up with my YouTube channel and my Facebook videos, what I did with this motorcycle, the wheels and everything. Long story. Go back and watch those videos if you like. But what I was going to show you is one of the, if you have an air compressor, and if you have one of these, you can take my first step. You can see where I dragged my finger across it a while ago, is blow it off as much as possible. See that? It's gone. 99, 98, 95% of that, you cannot see where I dragged my finger across it a few minutes ago. Same thing where you can do that with the fender here. See all that pollen? Look. See that? Gone. A lot easier than dragging buckets of water down. I blew part of my hood off on my car a while ago. Let's see. The car's been sitting outside, so it got kind of wet. So some of that pollen is a little bit more attached than the pollen was on the motorcycle, because it's been inside, hadn't got wet. I don't know if y'all can see this or not. The lighting out here makes it difficult for me to see what y'all are seeing. But most of it is gone. And now, pretty simple matter of getting my optimum no rinse out, the compressor kicked on. This thing uses a lot of air. The compressor will run a lot, but it's very effective. Very effective. It's a good first step when you're fighting the pollen, and some days it may be your only step. So those spots aren't going to come off, so that shows It got into the rainwater on this black paint and it dried very quickly. But it'll be easy to wipe off now with Optimum No Rinse, diluted down to their quick detail ratio. Just an idea for some of you folks. I appreciate y'all dropping by.